I'm Alex, the Chief Operating Officer at Clear Armor. In this video, we'll be showing how Clear Armor is able to protect your industry standard aluminum door. Using out-of-the-box 9mm FMJ, we first put one round into the glass of an unprotected industry standard aluminum door. Then, we put another round into the frame of the same unprotected door. Next, we have another identical door with Clear Armor's 31mm laminate applied to the glass. The round passes through, yet the integrity of the glass remains intact. This buys time for your people and first responders. On this third and final identical door, Clear Armor's bullet-resistant laminate is applied to the glass, with Clear Armor's ballistic paneling reinforcing the metal border. All of the glass in this video was 1/4 by 1/2 by 1/4 single tempered glass units.